Looking for the best rice cooker for perfectly cooked meals every time? In this video, I'm reviewing the top 4 best rice cookers to help you compare cooking performance, capacity, features, and overall value. Stay with me to find the right rice cooker for your kitchen and budget. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker 10 Cup Uncooked, Fuzzy Logic, 15 in 1 functions, digital display, delay timer, keep warm, non-stick inner pot. The Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker is designed for buyers who want consistent results with minimal effort. It's best known for its Fuzzy Logic technology, which automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature to produce evenly cooked rice across a variety of grains. With a 10-cup uncooked capacity and 15 cooking functions, it's well suited for families, meal prep, and anyone who cooks rice several times a week. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. In addition to white and brown rice, it can prepare porridge, mixed grains, and other recipes, making it more than just a basic rice cooker. The delay timer and keep warm functions add convenience for busy schedules, while the digital controls and non-stick inner pot make daily use and cleanup simple. This rice cooker is best for families, home cooks, and anyone who wants reliable, hands-off cooking with multiple menu options. However, buyers who only cook small portions occasionally may find its larger capacity and extra features more than they need. Overall, the Toshiba Origin Taste offers an excellent balance of cooking performance, convenience, and versatility, making it a dependable choice for everyday meals. Number 2. KitchenAid Compact 8-Cup 1.9-liter grain and rice cooker with automatic sensing and integrated scale, Cage C2154. The KitchenAid Compact 8-Cup grain and rice cooker is built for buyers who want a smarter and more precise way to cook rice and grains. It's best known for its automatic sensing technology and integrated scale, which help measure ingredients and adjust the cooking process for more consistent results. Its compact design also makes it a great fit for smaller kitchens, apartments, and households with limited counter space. One of its biggest strengths is ease of use. The built-in scale reduces guesswork, while the automatic cooking system helps deliver reliable results with rice, quinoa, oats, and other grains. Its compact footprint makes storage easy, and the simple controls make it approachable even for first-time users. Cleanup is also straightforward thanks to the removable cooking components. This rice cooker is best for singles, couples, small families, and health-conscious cooks who regularly prepare grains at home. However, buyers who frequently cook large batches for bigger families or gatherings may benefit from a higher capacity model. Overall, the KitchenAid Compact Grain and Rice Cooker combines smart features, reliable performance, and a space-saving design, making it a practical choice for everyday cooking. Number 3. Rice Robot Rice Cooker, family size 4-cup uncooked, 8 cups cooked. Electric rice maker PFAS-free ceramic nonstick includes stainless steel steamer tray and accessories. The Rice Robot Rice Cooker is designed for buyers who want an easy-to-use appliance that goes beyond cooking basic white rice. It's best known for its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot and stainless steel steamer tray, making it a practical option for preparing rice and healthy side dishes at the same time. With a family-sized 4-cup uncooked capacity, it's well-suited for everyday meals without taking up too much counter space. One of its biggest strengths is convenience. The ceramic cooking pot helps simplify cleanup, while the included steamer tray allows you to cook vegetables, seafood, or other foods alongside your rice. Its straightforward controls make it beginner-friendly, and the included accessories let users get started right out of the box. The compact footprint also fits comfortably in most kitchens. This rice cooker is best for small families, couples, students, and anyone looking for a simple, dependable appliance for everyday cooking. However, buyers who want advanced programmable settings or regularly cook for large gatherings may need a larger, more feature-rich model. Overall, the Rice Robot Rice Cooker delivers a great balance of simplicity, healthier non-stick materials, and everyday versatility, making it a practical choice for preparing rice and steamed meals at home. Number 4. Martha Stewart Rice Cooker 4-cup, uncooked, /8-cup, cooked, ceramic non-stick removable pot, keep warm, measure markings, steam basket, brown and sushi rice, quick cook, quinoa, grains, oats. The Martha Stewart rice cooker is built for buyers who want a compact rice cooker that can handle a variety of grains with minimal effort. It's best known for offering dedicated cooking functions for brown rice, sushi rice, quinoa, oats, and other grains while maintaining a simple, user-friendly design. Its 4-cup uncooked capacity makes it a great fit for everyday cooking in smaller households. One of its biggest strengths is versatility. The ceramic nonstick removable pot makes cleanup quick and easy, while the keep warm function keeps food ready until you're ready to eat. The included steam basket allows you to prepare vegetables or proteins while your rice cooks, helping save both time and counter space. Simple controls and clear measurement markings also make it approachable for first-time users. This rice cooker is best for singles, couples, small families, and home cooks who regularly prepare rice and grains. However, buyers who need larger batch cooking or advanced smart cooking programs may be better served by a higher capacity model. Overall, the Martha Stewart rice cooker offers dependable performance, easy cleanup, and useful everyday features, making it a solid choice for convenient home cooking. Thanks for watching my review of the top 4 best rice cookers. I hope this comparison helped you choose the one that best fits your cooking needs. If you'd like to learn more about any of the models featured, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.